Hey everyone, and welcome to this 30-day workout challenge designed to transform your body from the comfort of your own home. Over the next month, we'll be diving into a variety of exercises that target every muscle group, ensuring a full body transformation. We're going to sweat it out together, no equipment needed, just your determination and my guidance. Each day, I'll be here to motivate you, provide tips, and ensure you're performing each move correctly. Are you ready to feel stronger, healthier, and more confident? Let's crush it. Remember, consistency is key, and by the end of these 30 days you'll be amazed at what you've achieved. Let's get started. Today, we're talking about the plan and warming up those muscles. Get ready to work those muscles from head to toe with our intense and invigorating full-body routine. This session will challenge your strength, endurance, and flexibility, leaving you feeling accomplished and energized. Time to get that heart rate up with some high-intensity interval training. Let's sculpt those arms, shoulders, and chest with some targeted exercises. Time to feel the burn in those legs and glutes. You got this! Let's engage those abs and obliques for a strong and stable core. Listen to your body, take a break, and let those muscles rebuild. We're back at it with another full body session, adding in some variations. Let's push those limits with some new cardio moves. You've got this! Time to challenge those upper body muscles with some variations. Keep building those strong legs and glutes with these variations. Let's work on that core stability and definition with some new moves. Remember, rest is just as important as working out. Recharge those batteries. New day, new full body workout. Let's try some fresh exercises. Keep your body guessing with these new cardio exercises. We're honing in on that upper body strength with some targeted moves. Let's build that lower body endurance and strength. You're amazing. Get ready to feel the burn in those abs with these challenging moves. Take a well-deserved break today and let your body recover. We're mixing it up with a full-body fusion of all our favorite moves. Let's blast away those calories with a high-energy cardio session. Unleash your inner strength with these powerful upper body exercises. Let's sculpt those legs and glutes with these targeted exercises. Challenge your core stability and strength with these dynamic moves. Listen to your body, rest up, and get ready for the final push. We're almost there. Let's give it our all with this full body workout. Celebrate your progress with a fun and energetic cardio session. Let's see how much stronger you've gotten with this upper body test. One last push for those legs and glutes. You're unstoppable. Let's finish strong with a core workout and a relaxing cool down. You made it! Your dedication and hard work have paid off. Congratulations on completing this 30-day challenge. It's a significant milestone in your fitness journey. Remember, this is just the beginning of your fitness journey. Keep setting new goals and pushing your limits. Keep moving, stay consistent, and enjoy the amazing transformation you've created. Your future self will thank you.